top+fat burning fingerprint is a weight loss guide. It has been designed with one key goal in mind, to help you shed fat and lose weight, for good. The days of yo-yo dieting are over. By focusing on what Gary Watson's Power of 3, you will learn the best possible foods for your specific body type. Other than the main manual, you will get another 3 eBooks, the Fast Track Guide, 7 Super Fat Burning Hormones and the Bermuda Triangle of Foods. Click the link in the description below this video for details. Are you looking to shed those excess pounds, but have been struggling for months, or even years? The reality is, that it often takes a long time to become overweight. Once it's time to shed body weight, it can seem like a never-ending uphill battle. Can you relate to this struggle? There are so many miracle solutions and trendy diets on the market, but why waste your time, energy, and money? With this program, you can easily and naturally lose more weight. What's the secret? Well, believe it or not, it lies within your specific metabolic type. Depending on your unique fat-burning fingerprint, you can tap into the best possible solution for your body. By following 3 simple principles, which are outlined in this powerful guide, you will become a healthier, slimmer version of yourself. In fact, you'll lose the weight quickly, but keep it off long term. You must learn what your nutritional fat-burning fingerprint type is. As Gary Watson states, one man's food is another man's poison. Second of all, you must learn the power of intelligent eating, optimizing your specific fat-burning hormones. Lastly, you'll learn the foods you should avoid. By following this guide, you will learn how to maximize your weight loss results, based on your unique nutritional metabolic type. After discussing the multi-billion-dollar food industry, highlighting the 3 main taste points, fat, sugar, and salt, Watson addresses reasons why we need to wake up. The program offers the complete nutritional weight loss guide, as well as a fast-track guide, in addition to an overview of the 7 super hormones plus a mini ebook describing the 3 foods you must avoid. Click the link in the description below this video for details.